Tired of spending hours cleaning your floors? Robot vacuums are here to save the day. These smart cleaning devices can navigate your home, suck up dust and pet hair, and even mop your floors, all while you sit back and relax. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuums that offer powerful suction, smart navigation, and hands-free convenience. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a high-tech model with advanced AI features, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and find the perfect robot vacuum for your home. Number 1. Roborock Qrevo Edge Robot Vacuum and Mop. Hey everyone! Looking for a robot vacuum and mop that does all the cleaning for you? The Roborock Qrevo Edge might just be the perfect solution. With 18,500 pascal suction, hot water mop washing, and AI obstacle recognition, it promises a hassle-free cleaning experience. But is it really worth it? Let's dive in. With its sleek white design and sturdy build, this vacuum blends seamlessly into any home. The flexi arm brush reaches deep into corners, ensuring no dust is left behind. 18,500 pascal suction power easily picks up dirt, pet hair, and debris from carpets and hard floors. AI obstacle recognition smartly avoids furniture, cables, and small objects. Zero tangling brush, no more pet hair clogging the system. Hot water mop washing cleans itself with hot water, eliminating bacteria buildup. LiDAR navigation maps your home with advanced precision, ensuring full coverage. Control everything from the Roborock app, schedule cleanings, set no-go zones, and customize cleaning modes. It even works with Alexa and Google Home, so you can just say, "Hey, start cleaning." If you want a powerful, fully automated, and smart robot vacuum, the Roborock Qrevo Edge is a game-changer. Strong suction, perfect for carpets and hard floors. Hands-free maintenance, no need to empty dustbins manually. Smart AI navigation, efficiently cleans every corner of your home. The only downside? It's a bit pricey, but if budget isn't an issue, this is one of the best investments for a hassle-free cleaning experience. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Interested? Check out the link in the description. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 2. DREAME X50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. I'm diving into the DREAME X50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop, a smart, powerful cleaning solution designed to make your life easier. With 20,000 pascals suction, auto-emptying, and a self-cleaning mop, this vacuum promises to take care of your cleaning needs effortlessly. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, the DREAME X50 Ultra comes in a sleek black design, and it's packed with some awesome features. It uses side-reach vacuuming and mop extend robo-swing technology, making sure every corner and edge gets a deep clean. Plus, the detangling duo brush ensures you won't have to deal with tangled hair. Fibers. 20,000 pascal suction power picks up dirt, dust, and pet hair effortlessly, even from carpets. Obstacle avoidance and 360 degrees navigation, it navigates around furniture smoothly, covering every inch of your home. Auto maintenance, no need to worry about cleaning the vacuum, refilling the mop, or emptying the dustbin, it does it all automatically. Pet hair pickup, if you have pets, this vacuum is perfect for keeping your home hair-free. The DREAME X50 Ultra is a game-changer for anyone looking for a fully automated, deep-cleaning robot vacuum. With its impressive 20,000 pascal suction and auto-maintenance features, it really saves you time and effort. The only downside? It's a little on the heavier side, but given its amazing capabilities, it's definitely worth it if you want a powerful, hassle-free cleaning experience. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you liked this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 3. eufy S1 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. I'm excited to share my thoughts on the eufy S1 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This vacuum is a game-changer with features like 8,000 pascal suction, smart obstacle avoidance, and mop auto retraction. I've been using it for a while, and in this video, I'll share my personal experience with it. When I used the eufy S1, I was really impressed by its 8,000 pascal suction power. It picks up dust, dirt, and even pet hair without a hitch. The pet hair pickup feature was especially useful since I have pets at home. And the mop auto retraction feature? It works flawlessly, leaving my floors streak-free and spotless. Overall, I'm really happy with the eufy S1. The smart features, automatic maintenance, and powerful suction make it a standout product. If you have pets, this vacuum is definitely worth considering. The only downside I found is that it's a bit heavy, but honestly, with all its features, that's a small issue. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you liked this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 4. iRobot Roomba S9 Plus Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum. If you're tired of constantly vacuuming and wish there was a smarter way to clean, then you're in for a treat. I'm diving into the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus, the robot vacuum that does all the work for you, self-emptying, powerful suction, and it even cleans those pesky corners and edges. Trust me, if you're a pet owner, this might just be your new best friend. Let's take a closer look. I've been using the Roomba S9 Plus for a while now, and I'm absolutely blown away. The 20x more powerful suction than previous models picks up everything, from dust to pet hair. It doesn't just clean the easy spots either, it gets all the corners and edges without missing a beat. Plus, the automatic dirt disposal feature is a total game changer. The vacuum empties itself for up to 60 days. I love that it maps out my home and knows where it's been and where to go next, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Overall, I am seriously impressed with the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. The self-emptying feature, smart mapping, and pet hair removal make it worth every penny. The only downside? The price might be a little high, but when you see how much time and effort it saves, it's totally worth it. If you want to upgrade your cleaning game, this is the one to go for. What do you think? Have you tried the Roomba S9 Plus? Let me know in the comments below. Check out the link in the description. If this review helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome reviews. Number 5. ECOVACS DEEBOT N20 Plus. Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your floors? Well, the ECOVACS DEEBOT N20 Plus is here to change the game. This smart robot vacuum and mop combo promises powerful suction, self-emptying convenience, and the ultimate cleaning power, especially for pet hair. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. I've been using the DEEBOT N20 Plus for a while now, and wow, it's a beast. With 8,000 pascals of suction, it picks up everything from crumbs to pet hair with ease. And I love the anti-tangle technology, so no more worrying about hair getting stuck in the brushes. My favorite feature? The 45-day self-emptying station. It empties itself, saving you tons of time. Plus, with a 300-minute runtime, it can clean my entire home without needing a recharge. Overall, the ECOVACS DEEBOT N20 Plus is an absolute winner. It's super efficient, saves time, and cleans thoroughly. If you've got pets or just want an easier way to clean, this is your go-to. The only minor downside? It's a little on the bulkier side, but with all these amazing features, it's totally worth it. So, what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Interested? Check out the link in the description. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome reviews. Here are our top 5 picks, carefully selected based on our personal research, ratings, reviews, quality, and durability to ensure the best choices for you. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews, and thank you for watching.